running a popularity contest. This is actually a really fun way to encourage people to comment on your site, because what it does is you reward people that comment the most. Of course, when people comment, you want them to comment as much as possible. So wouldn't it be cool if you could help people feel important? Well, that's exactly what this plugin does. It keeps track of who's commenting on your site, who's doing it the most, and then of course ranks them accordingly. So what happens is you find that people that like your site, they can sometimes get pretty passionate about things and want to be one of the top commenters, and they'll compete with others, which of course drives everybody's post count up. So let's take a look at this. Once it's installed, this plugin, you'll see over here under settings, it's called popularity. And right here, you just have some basic things that you can do to display, how many people do you want to be displayed at the top of whatever posts, and do you want to exclude yourself from there, which I would recommend that you do. You don't want to be number one of the poll. That will kind of take away some of the fun and all that. So this is a really neat plugin, and then once you have it, you have to actually specify where it's going to be. So it gives you the tags. So in other words, if you want this popularity contest, where's it going to display the information about who the top posters are? Do you want it to be on your home page, on every page, in a sidebar, whatever? It breaks it down right here, and I like that the instructions are right here on the options page as far as the code that you do need to put into your template wherever it's going to be posted. So again, this is something that you may want to pay somebody to do, or you can go in and do it yourself. If you do that, make sure you have a backup of what you're changing. But it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. If you're comfortable editing your template, this should be pretty easy, because it really does tell you where exactly to put it. Here there's an example of where you can put it in the loop, which means that it would appear when a post is made right in the post, and that's a really good way to give it a lot of visibility. So the popularity contest plugin is something that I highly encourage that you check out, because it can really get people excited about your blog and competing with each other, and the true winner is you.